sorry, Nykaa Cosmetics, Sunglass Hut, Bioderma, Face, Nexus. Hi guys, how are y'all? I'm finally back here after forever. I'm so sorry about that, but here I am today, and we are going to do something super exciting which you and I both love, that is unboxing the PR packages. I haven't opened these PR packages since a really long time. These are some of the packages that I've received over the last 1 or 2 months. These are all about makeup, skincare, so it's going to be super fun. Let's get into it. So we'll start the unboxing session with our first package, which is from Sunglass Hut. This is actually from their event. The event was super fun because it was at the beach. It was at this restaurant called Estella, and we could see the whole beach. We could see the beautiful sunset, and because this is an eyewear brand, it went perfectly together. Let me unbox and show you what they actually gave us. These are just some pictures that we ended up taking at the event. I think you must have seen this on my Instagram. If not, go follow my Instagram. Okay, so this is what they gave us, the Ray-Ban Originals. Let me open this and show you. So everyone got different frames, but this is the one that I received, and it's so gorgeous, like a classic piece. What do you think about it? I love it. So the next package that we have here is from Bioderma. It was actually their collaboration with Victoria Beckham. You already know them. I am personally obsessed with Bioderma. Their micellar water is just perfect. I literally cannot live without this because as a content creator, I put on so much makeup like every day for shoots, etc. And I am someone who will not wash my face directly. So every time after I'm done with my shoots, I take a cotton pad and I remove all my makeup with the micellar water and then sort of go and wash my face, because then the makeup just comes off very clean, in a very clean manner, and it doesn't harm your skin, right? You don't have to like over exfoliate to remove the makeup. So this is the Bioderma and Victoria Beckham version. It's their Sensebo H2O. And yeah, this is the limited edition version. So they also sent me the Bioderma Soothing Micellar Cleansing Foaming Gel. I've tried this and this actually feels super gentle on the face. So these two are from Bioderma. Next is this cute little bag from Faye. So I learned about the brand Faye actually through Shark Tank. The founder Karishma, she had come on Shark Tank, and it's been a while since I've watched Shark Tank, but there was a whole phase where I was obsessed with Shark Tank and I would keep watching Shark Tank episodes like every day, or rather all day. So Faye, so that's how I got introduced to the brand Faye, and that's when I went to their Instagram and I actually got super interested to try, and I landed up receiving a PR package from them. It's super exciting. So this is from their latest launch. It's their evening exfoliator. I think this is launched like just this month, like last week. It's their newest launch. Also, like, it's an evening exfoliator, so it's only to be added to your PM routine. So you can see the color difference, right? You're basically supposed to like shake the bottle, and then just like after cleaning your face, just shake and spray the whole thing on your face. It's like a super gentle exfoliator. Also, so just a suggestion, if you're adding or trying exfoliators for the first time, try to do a patch test, or try to incorporate in your skincare routine, like say once a week, and then you go to twice a week, and then you go maybe say 3 to 4 times a week, depending on how well your skin takes it, because exfoliators can harm your skin as well if your skin is not taking it well, right? So it came in this cute packaging, and here we have the product. So it looks like this. Then they also sent me their daily moisturizer for all skin types. This is called their Daily Dip. So the product is called Daily Dip, and it's basically their moisturizer. This is how it actually looks. This is how the packaging looks. I'm gonna open this up to show y'all how the product looks like. Okay, it comes in the jar sort of a format. It's like a glass bottle, and it has all their ingredients, XYZ, all the main information given. So this is their Daily Dip, their moisturizer. So next PR package is from Nexxus. I am obsessed with this brand. I had gone for the launch event when they just launched in India and Bombay, and the event was so luxe, just like their products, and their products are so good. This is another PR package that I've received, but the products that I received at the event were looked super promising, so I did go ahead and tried them. And the mask and the serum works so well on my hair. Shampoo I have only tried once or twice, so I can't talk about it much. This is how their shampoo packaging looks like. It's their Repair Keratin version. This is the shampoo. This is their keratin mask. And this is their oil resurrection for hair. This is their serum. The launch event was actually for the serum, and the products look super luxe. Like, this is how the packaging looks like. This is what the product looks like. Like, their mask and the serum really repairs my hair. Like, I can feel the difference. Like, I can literally feel it on my hair. And also my hair is like super damaged because of the amount of heat that I put on almost regular basis, and also because of the hair color. So that's why the mask and the serum work great for me. So this is from Nexxus. So the next PR package is from Caudalie. I don't know how do you exactly pronounce this, because so this PR package I basically received at their event, and some people pronounced it as Caudalie and some people just said Caudalie. So either of them. But let's get into it. Let's see what do we have here. So the first thing that we have here is their Vino Perfect serum. And at the event, we could customize our own bottles. So I got mine as well. It has Sakshi written on it. This is how the outer packaging looks like. And this is the product. This is their Vino Perfect serum for brightening dark spots. So it's the brightening dark spot serum. So the next thing that we have here is their dark spot niacinamide moisturizer. Can never have enough moisturizers. I'm opening this up for you. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. This is their main product. Like, this is the product, their moisturizer. Also gave us like this cute mirror, which I'm gonna put somewhere in the room. So cute. The next box that we have here is from Indulgio Essentials. Okay, let's open this up. We have a bunch of products. So the first thing that we have here is their Luxuriant Hair Growth Vitalizer. All the products are from Indulgio Essentials. This is how it looks like. So the next thing that we have here is their Vitamin A Pro Retinol Restoring Essence. This is how it looks like. Then we have their Cera Cleanse Foaming Face Wash. They also sent some Pept Eye, their under eye patches. They sent like a bunch of them. There are more here. Then this is their Brighten Up Milk Skin Toner, and this is their bedazzled version. It was like a limited edition thing that they were sending out, and this is so cute. Their Brighten Up Milk Skin Toner. Okay, so there's another Brighten Up Milk Skin Toner that is a bedazzled version, and then we have the normal product. Like I mentioned, that was the limited edition one. This is how the product looks like. They have also sent their Biocollagen Intense Glow Sheet Mask, which I'm super excited to try because these are all over the internet, like all over the internet, and I'm sure you've seen everyone put on this mask. I'm gonna try this out and review it. So these were all from Indulge Essentials, and I love this box because I can reuse it. Usually when you get PR packages, they come in like bags, paper bags. Paper bags are great, but I mean, you can use it only a few times, right, before they tear apart. These kind of boxes go a long way. They're eco-conscious, and like you can keep storing anything and everything in them. I usually end up using them for like my jewelry pieces or anything. Even you can like, you know, sort of store your skincare or whatever. Like a storage is always a good idea. So the next bag that we have here is from Foy. For You. I am obsessed with them. They have the most amazing Korean products under them. So I'd gone for their launch event. You can see how the event looked like again on my Instagram. I am a lot more active on Instagram, but I'm going to be more active over here now. So this is from Foy. They sent a bunch of like, they gave us like a bunch of Korean brands and products. I don't know how to like pronounce half these names, but I'm just gonna show it to y'all. This is their glow mask. I don't know how do I pronounce this, but yeah. This is their glow mask. Moist Ampule Blusher. This bottle is so cute. I can't wait to try this. I do enjoy Korean skincare more than makeup. I just feel that their skin is so good that the makeup blends well. However, so that's why I don't feel like their makeup works good on me. Like I've tried like 1 or 2 foundations and concealers from like other Korean brands, and even like lipsticks, like their lip stains and everything, they didn't stay on my skin to begin with. And not that their formulations are bad, but it just didn't work for me. So after a few attempts, I've kind of decided for now that, you know, I know their skincare works amazingly, but their makeup not so much on me. But this blush seems super cute, so I'm gonna give that a try. Then they sent their Dear Duo The Hidden Body Scrub. I'd actually kept it under the other packages, so this one's gotten a little spoiled. It didn't come like this. This is their body scrub. So the next thing that they sent is their Mary and May eye cream. This is how it looks like. This is the outer packaging and this is the product. Then we have I don't know how to pronounce these brands. Their Haru Bando. It's their anyway. So the product is their Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. I definitely want to try this toner. I used to not use toners earlier until I realized how important it is for your skin. So this is their Black Rice Hyaluron Toner. This is how the product looks like. All these products and their packaging is so good, like so good. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is how the product looks like. So everything is from Foy for you. Go check them out. They have a bunch of brands. These are just like 4 of them, but they have a bunch of brands which you should definitely check out in case you're into Korean skincare or Korean makeup or Korean anything. The next thing that we have here is from the Wella company. It's not the Wella product, but it is from their Sebastian No Breaker range. This is their bonding melting mask. So they gave us 2 things. This is the Sebastian No Breaker bonding shampoo, and then the Sebastian No Breaker bonding melting mask. Next we have this cute little bag from M Caffeine. They sent, I think there was another product. I have 2 here. I think they sent 3. I'm not able to find the 3rd one. It's not here. I think it was their cleansing. It was their cleanser. So this is their coffee cookie range. This is their pore clearing coffee cookie face scrub. This is how the product looks like, and then this is their pore clearing coffee cookie clay face mask. I'm sure there was another product, but I think I have misplaced it. I think it should be somewhere in the house. But these are 2 that I have with me now, and it's from their coffee cookie face. It's from their coffee cookie range. So next we have ELF. We all love ELF so much, and when ELF launched in India, I was so happy. Also, they are like super affordable. I feel not expensive and does the job. So these products are from their new range, which is the Glimmer Finish, which are the Glimmer Finish lip oils. They've sent me 3 of their shades as of now, and this is how it looks. These are all different shades. Where can I read the shade? Okay. Obviously it's going to be either on top or the bottom, so we have it here on top. This is their Divine Wine. Can you see the glitter? So nice. This is their Super Neutral shade. This is how it looks like. Yeah, it's like a proper nude shade. And then we have here the Chocolux. Should I open one to show you? They also gave us a cute pouch in which I can store all of them. I can never have enough pouches. Obviously, like all of us have so many products like makeup, skincare, so we need to keep storing them. This is super handy and cute. So this is ELF, and those were the Glimmer Finish lip oils. So this is from the Thank Jade event. They gave us their gua shas. I've created a whole dedicated reel on Thank Jade, and you should check it out on my Instagram. Or I'll try. Oh, I can actually upload all these videos on YouTube Shorts now. So okay, cool. What I'll do is I'll upload all those recent reels on the Shorts now, so you can watch it everything on this one app only. So this is the gua sha that they sent me, and mind you, all of these are made from 100% original Jadites. So the next package that we have here is from Happier. I actually found them on Instagram, and very recently and this is what they sent me. So these are basically all sunscreens. Like they send me 3 products and all of them are sunscreens, but they're all different kinds. So you can select whatever suits you the best or whatever you enjoy applying the best. So this is their Spritz Away sunscreen spray. So you can basically spray the sunscreen on your face, body. Then the next is their ultra light sunscreen. So this you can apply if you're someone who likes light sunscreen. Then the next is which is trending a lot. It is their sunscreen stick. So I know now everyone is enjoying using like sun sticks because like of course the application's like just easier. So this is their sun stick. So I love how the brand has, you know, created and is selling like, you know, different versions of the sunscreens, because I might like applying the spray and you might like applying the stick, right? So but everyone can just go to one brand as per their needs. So this is from Happier. So we have another brand which is a Korean brand. It's the Sangboon Editor. Let me unbox this. Again, we have like a bunch of products over here. I've already used a few. This is their Green Tomato Deep Pore Cleansing Tissue. This I've been using a lot. So on the days where like I'm super lazy to like you know, come home and like, you know, wash my face and everything, I just end up using these. You can't only use this, I feel, but like, you know, when you come home and you just want to like get rid of the makeup instantly and then wash your face and all around, say, so in that case you can use this and just get rid of the makeup for that time, and then later remove your makeup and say, like, you know, wash your face and everything properly. But like for the moment this works. And then they have the Green Tomato Deep Pore Clean Enzyme Powder Wash. So can you hear? It is actually the powder version, so you can like foam it up and then clean your face. Then they have the Green Tomato Pore Lifting Ampule Toner. I don't have the product with me right now because I'm already using it. It's somewhere in my vanity. They sent us the Green Tomato Pore Blurring Sun Cream. This is how it looks like. This is their Deep Collagen Power Boosting Mask. This is so good. I've already used it. So I had gone for their launch event when Milk Touch oh, where is the Milk Touch package? Okay, anyways, so like where are my Milk Touch products? Okay, so so this was given to us when Sangboon had just launched in India, and we had gone for their event, and so that's when I had received one of these, and it's so good, and I was so happy that they sent it again because you can't have enough of these. I've already ordered like a few more from them because I feel like when you need that instant hydration and, you know, you're having like a chill pampering day and all you want to do is like just put on the sheet mask and like relax, this actually works. So the next package that we have here is in this tote bag from F Hair. I am obsessed with their salons, like their salon, but their salons are so good, like super aesthetic, super calming, and all you want to do is like go there and get a spa done. Like their spa rooms are so good, like so good, and their whole aesthetic, right, like the whole place is so good. Like I love their interiors. But okay, now let's get into the product. So this is from F Hair. They have sent a wooden brush which is so good, and yeah, I've been already using it. I love wooden brushes, and look at this packaging. This is their day-to-day care shampoo and day-to-day care conditioner. The packaging is so cute and adorable, like super aesthetic. They have different like colors in these, like I think all shades of browns. This is what I have received. Can't wait to try these. So cool. I want to just keep it in my washroom. Then we have a PR package from Nykaa Cosmetics. We all love Nykaa, period. So this is from their Cloud range, and that's why I have this cute cloud pouch. I love when brands actually sort of put in the efforts and like make it super customized, because this is from their Cloud range, right? Basically, sorry, not Cloud range, their super light range. So basically it's as light as a cloud, right? So their super light range, that's the cloud. So we have here their Nykaa lip glaze lip oil. Then we have their super light cloud liquid lipsticks in different colors. This is how the outer packaging looks like. This is how their liquid lipsticks look like. Their Get Cheeky blush stick. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is how the product looks like. I've always been a person who used to use like powder blushes, but suddenly I've started using like these stick ones, and they work so well. Liquid blushes are again amazing, but like sometimes I don't know how to blend them properly, so that's why powder blushes were like the safest. And I'm like, you know, like blind, what, there's a term for this, like blush blind or something like that. Basically, like I don't know how much, like I know how much amount should be put, but I like overdo it. I love applying a lot of blush, and even though I know it's a lot, I still don't mind. I will throw the blush on my face, and I love it, no regrets. And this one, like the stick, has turned out to be good. You can see I've actually started it, and I've used this already. It works well, and it blends super easily. Like it's very creamy, so when you apply it, you can blend it and work with it super smoothly. From Nykaa Cosmetics and their Cloud range, super light range. So I think I have a few PR packages left here with me on the bed, and then a few more which I actually didn't bring right now. But I'm gonna make a part 2 of this, and please tell me if you like this one so that I get more motivated to make the part 2 for y'all. If y'all want me to try out any of these products, do let me know. I'm more than happy to like individually try them out, put it on me, and like show how it looks, how it works, and talk more about them in detail. But you let me know in the comment section if you want me to do that. And I hope this was fun. This is fun for me to, you know, unbox the packages with y'all and show y'all what all I've received. Can't wait to actually start using all these products, and I'm gonna review them one by one as and when I start using them, and as and when they actually show results, be it positive, negative, whatever it is. So I very blatantly call out the products that didn't work for me, or is actually very bad. So yeah, only honest reviews from me. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.